Good morning, my dear students. Today I'm back again, especially on request. I'm just jumbled. Actually, I have to come to poetry number 6, but from request from few students, I'm coming to poetry number 3, The Charge of Light Brigade, by Lord ALFRED Tennyson. Koi mayam na thangkiba Crimean War 1854 da 25th October da sokna kiba koi France, England, Kingdom of Sardinia, Ottoman Empire haiba mari siga Russia ga marakta thokna kiba cholan phamne. So in the border Russia gi balaklava ko mafam da koi border sida the Russian cavalry and their forces Balaklava hai mafam sibu sida Russia gi fazana well equipped weapons, cannons, bombs pairaga leiraba hai ba border sida border ne somdana aikoi gi English army na lead tawga lami kya battalions like Hussars, Lancers, Dragon Guards, Iniscling Dragoon, Toan ba lami kya punjal laga koi lay aduga Light Brigade ko ba army groups ina luching boy lay English ki mighty. So there was a misunderstanding koi head official lay diba commander na pawma pire a news being sent there Paum Thai Commander na Light Brigade na luchingaga if the Russian soldiers attack, just try to defend it. We are coming with heavy weaponries. Ekoi khulaya fawa better equipments, guns, machine guns and tops, cannon. Ekoi changchalake na koi lan ngak na bhotnaram moy na paum pire. But unluckily, the last messenger, aroiba messenger na commander the pautame Light Brigade na luchingaga balaklava da lan changamo koi afo khulai pur changake. In that time, the Light Brigade soldiers, there were 600 soldiers who led the troops led toriba 600 soldiers sigi commander masamak khuding magna kitangdi they felt in their heart no pai daba afa bomb to kinma humje koi thazal lisena. They felt, but no one questioned against the commander. They willingly went into the valley of death for the sake of their motherland. After the 7 days of that battle, in history it was said that around 110 were killed, 161 were wounded, many of them met bondage, captured by the enemies, and only few returned back out of the 600. So after 7 days of the battle, Lord ALFRED Tennyson, he immortalized the courage and valor of the Light Brigade soldiers who knowingly enters into the jaws of death for the sake of their motherland. Mama Levaki the Sili Kang Light Brigade soldiers sing the book immortalized Omor Ohenwas heading. So it's a little bit long, but lots of repeated lines are there to give impact to the listeners about the valor of the Light Brigade soldiers. Light Brigade soldiers ki thaunado remind tawna hanjan piba line khra diyawani. So let's go through the text. Half a lick onward. Lick means 3 miles. A lick is called 3 miles. Half a lick means 1.5 miles. All in the valley of death brought the 600 mile. Amaga makai the ngaire ekoi asibigi tampak yogadaba haiduna makoi 600 sagol thousand. Forward the Light Brigade, charge for the guns, he said. He means the commander. They're in the battlefield. Light Brigade na mangjil thau no ipaiba tham na thousand into the valley of death brought the 600. asibagi tampak makoi 600 changam. Forward the Light Brigade was there a main dismayed. Mangjin Thai Light Brigade na frightened. Dismayed means frightened. Ki khiba mi amakatang yaw khibrane. No. Yaw khide. Though the soldier knew someone had blundered. La missing the khange. Kana mamana lale. Someone means commander here. Someone je commander na makoi bu light thang gumba ta gumba pai makoi bu heavy equipped toroba lan bandu the changwa habse commander lale khange, but no one questioned to the commander. There's not to make reply, there's not to reason why. Pakum piram de kari maram gino hunam de. There's but to do and die. Makoi ge habu mama leba ki kamak lang theng naram maga sikhi. Into the valley of death wrote the 600. Asi tampakta makoi 600 changsilam. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon in front of them. Yeta top khili, oida khili, mang na khili, kapsali. Volleyed and thundered. Wang na hungatli missing do. Bomb na tar volleyed. We call it volleyball guy do. Inkhat pa langkhat pa. Volleyed and thundered. Ning khong marakta. Wang na bomb na pan na langkhat. Storm met with sword and shell. Nong may yung sung bomb na. Nong lay nung ship pa la bomb na kapsal ame. Boldly they rode. And well. Into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. Asibagi Kayata Asibagi Yanunga Makoi 600 Changsilam. Flash all their sabers bear Makuta Pyra Matangsang, Kutagi Paitokirame, Flash they turn in year, Malang Panda, Paikalapamatanga, severing the gunners here, charging an army, while all the world wondered. Haina no may paiva army tam na sangsile chairak to da. In the meantime, Prithvi Pumana Makoi Ngaklam. Those who willingly enters into the jaws of death. Kangna Sibi Hayat the Changiva Makoi Prithvi Ngaklam. Lungs in the battery smoke. Right through the line they broke, Cossack and Russian. Bongi Makulak the Chongchale. Pareng leng no kapthari budu thugai no changsale Cossack. Now it is called Ukraine. Because Ukraine gogulam do matam do Cossack korome. Musum Cossack and Russian soldiers in thugai no changsilame. Reeled from the Severstroke, shattered and sundered. Haina apang bamadi yantarame thana. Then they rode back, but not the 600. But in the headquarters they came to know about the news. Balaklava Light Brigade Sangre Pau, Aran Pau, the Sangre, they were called back again, but not the 600. Many of them were killed, wounded, and captured there by the enemies. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon behind them. Oi the yeta tungdagi, cannon bomb na kappa horaki, bullet and thunder, storm it with sword and shell. Nonglay nusit kum nongmay maru musung bong na paisalam. While horse and hero felt Tauriba Sagol musung Sagol Tauriba heroes in Laimai Kelame, they that had fought so well came through the jaws of death back from the mouth of hell. Asukimatik Pasana Lantinaki, Asibagi Yanundagi, Asibagi Kayatagi Hingana Toraki Karama. All that was left of them, left of 600. Kayamadi Makoi 600 Gileho. The last stanza is a very beautiful one. It comes of the theme in which Lord Tennyson immortalized the courage and valor of the Light Brigade soldiers. Light Brigade soldiers in the Thaunaling Jelbo Omor Ohele. When can their glory fade? Makoi mingchat urong sibu karam matam na machu kopthagadagi. Makoi mingchat si karam matam na mangadagi. All the wild charge they met, all the world wondered. Angaw na changhiba khongjang Prithvi pummana makoi bungakna. Honor the charge they met, makoi na changhiba lanjangbu ikai khumnari. Honor the Light Brigade ikai khumnari. Noble 600. So through the poet immortalized the valor of the Light Brigade soldiers who knowingly enter into the jaws of death. Despite there was a blunder from the commander, they went into the valley of death for the sake of motherland. This is the point, the charge of the Light Brigade. So once again, in page number 126, there is a word notes, the difficult terms you may find in the poetry. Poetry the Khangabok, difficult terms in word notes the, just go through it. So if there's any difficulty, just get back to me. Thank you once again.